What's up guys, it's me Lego Paradise here, and to celebrate the release of the Fallout 4 Nuka-World expansion, I'm going to show you how to build this Lego Nuka-Cola vending machine. It's a slightly modified design to the one I used in my Fallout 4 Pridwin airship creation, because I wanted to include the ability to store and display a bottle of Nuka-Cola. And you can achieve this by opening the door in the drinks display case, and this is where you can place your bottle of Nuka-Cola. And you can see there's space for a single bottle, but that's okay, because as you can see, it not only looks like a Fallout 4 style Nuka-Cola machine, but it's also got a bit of functionality. So let's take a look at the pieces you're going to need to build it. Okay, so here's all the pieces you're going to need to build your Lego Nuka-Cola machine. And once you have your pieces, you can start by taking a 2x4 plate and two 1x2 plates. And you just attach that to the ends of the underneath of the 2x4 plate, like this. Then you can take two 1x2 jumper tiles and just place them so they have a half stud offset sticking out. And they should be attached to the bottom with half a stud offset on the other side as well. Then you can flip that around and you can take one of your 2x2 plates and just place that there. And next you can take a 1x2 jumper plate and attach that on there. Then you can smooth the rest off with a 1x2 tile. This is where you can place a 2x2 white tile, because this will be the bottom of the drinks case. And then you can build up the back using another 1x2 tile, and that just attaches there. And you can take a 1x2 brick, just a normal one, attach that here, and a 1x2 Technic brick with a Technic hole in the middle, and that just goes on top. And then you can take a 1x2 jumper tile and place that so the stud is attached to the inside of the Technic brick. And that's just a little part of the machine where you enter your money to pay for your Nuka-Cola. And you can put this construction aside for now. Next we'll build the middle and opening door, and for this you can start off by taking this 1x2 plate with a bracket on the side and just flip that round this way. And then you can join that with a 1x2 jumper tile and attach that there, and a regular 1x2 tile underneath. Then on this side you can take a 1x2 brick and make sure it's placed so the studs are attached to the two tiles, not to the bracket piece. Attach that there, and then you can build up the back using a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 brick, another 1x2 plate on top of the brick, and then here's where you can use a 1x2 plate with some clips on the end. And you can also use two 1x1 plates with these clips, but I like to use a 1x2 plate since it's just a bit more neater. And then you can place this down for now, because now we'll build the door, and the door requires a 1x2 plate with a bar attachment on the side, and just attach this to a 1x2 brick in transparent. And you can smooth that off using a 1x2 tile. And this should also be white, or whatever colour you've chosen to build your drinks case. And you can simply attach this to the hinge. And this creates a hinge, and you can see how the door will swing open. And again, you can put this assembly aside for now. Okay, so now we can build the top section of the Nuka-Cola machine, and for that you can start off by taking a 2x2 plate. And all you have to do with this, you just attach your 1x1 sloped pieces with the brackets on them, and just clip them so you have two pairs facing either side. And you can see this builds up the really cool retro and yet futuristic 1950s style of the Fallout 4 Nuka-Cola machine. And next you can take a 2x2 plate and just attach that underneath, and a last 2x2 plate, and that just goes on one side, also underneath. Then you can take a 1x2 plate with a small bracket on it, and this is important because it's got that half stud offset that will be used to cover the top of the drinks case, and just fill in the gap with a 1x2 plate. And then on top you can take two 1x1 headlight bricks and just attach them so the stud is facing outwards. And it's important to use a headlight brick because then that gives you a bit of a recessed look when you add a small bit of glass for the animated screen that can be used to display adverts or information. And you can use a simple 1x2 tile in transparent black for this. And then you can flip that around, and here's where you can take a 1x2 plate, just put that on the back, a 1x2 tile, place that on top of the headlight bricks, and fill in the gap with a couple of 1x1 slopes or cheese wedges. And you can see that finishes off the top. And to build your bottle of Nuka-Cola, you can simply take a 1x1 cone and a 1x1 flower piece, and you can just attach that on the bottom. And the reason you can use a flower piece for the bottom is because it has these little bits that stick out, and these are a bit like the rocket fins that stick out of a bottle of Nuka-Cola in Fallout 4. And then, of course, every bottle of Nuka-Cola needs its most valuable component, the bottle cap, and just place that on top, and you can use a 1x1 round tile for that. And you can see this design of Nuka-Cola bottles great because it also means you can make many different flavours of Nuka-Cola, such as cherry or quantum, and the Nuka-Cola machine will fit any flavour. So now the last thing to do is to assemble all your structures together. So you can start off by taking the base and the middle section with the door, and you might want to just angle the door out when you get it on, and you can see you attach the jumper plate with the stud to the back of the Technic brick, and just attach that in, make sure it's nice and secure, and then you can hinge your door shut if you want, and then pretty simply on the top just attach the bottom of the top half to the two studs, and that should clip on nicely. Just make sure to press it down, and you can just move your door if it's slightly out of shape, but it should work pretty well. And you can check that it fits a bottle of Nuka-Cola by just opening it up, and you can take your Nuka-Cola and display it inside, and it should go in nicely. So now you have your fully built Lego Nuka-Cola vending machine. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to check out my other Fallout 4 Lego videos, such as my Fallout 4 Brotherhood of Steel Pridwin airship creation, and my Soul Survivor with power armor how to build tutorial. Don't forget to give the video a like, comment and subscribe for more, and I'll be back next time with some more Lego creations. Thanks for watching.